Artificial intelligence can generate many possible formulations, but it cannot decide which formulation is practical. Experienced developers review every proposed recipe. They remove unnecessary ingredients, adjust concentrations, and apply practical knowledge gained through years of laboratory and production experience. Human intuition remains an essential part of the development process. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we learned how GrafCompounder predicts a rubber formulation and how artificial intelligence uses historical data to improve those predictions. Today, I would like to address a question that may experienced developers ask themselves. Will artificial intelligence replace my expertise? My answer is very simple. No. GrafCompounder was designed to support experts, not to replace them. In this presentation, we will discuss 4 important topics. First, how developers build an AI model. Second, how GrafCompounder simplifies complex analysis. Third, how developers work together with AI. And finally, why human expertise remains essential throughout the entire development process. Artificial intelligence cannot decide what is important on its own. The first and perhaps most important step is defining the model. The developers select the target properties, assign their importance, and determines what should be optimized. Whether the priority is durability, dynamic behavior, aging, resistance, or cost, these decisions come from human expertise. AI performs the calculation. The developer defines the objectives. Many engineers are not specialists in statistics, and they should not need to be. GrafCompounder performs the mathematical analysis in the background. Instead of complex statistical calculations, the software presents clear visual information using 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional graphs. Developers can immediately recognize relationships, identify conflicting properties, and investigate different optimization strategies without becoming statistical experts. In practice, databases are rarely perfect. Some measurements may be missing. Some formulations may contain incomplete information. GrafCompounder helps developers understand these limitations through data analysis and provides tools for combining multiple databases using the merger function. As additional data become available, the quality of future predictions continues to improve. Artificial intelligence is an excellent assistant. It analyzes data much faster than any person and can suggest several promising solutions. However, the final decision always belongs to the developer. Only the developer can evaluate production requirements, supplier availability, processing limitations, and customer expectations before selecting the best formulation. GrafCompounder is not designed to replace experienced compound developers. Its purpose is to remove repetitive calculations and accelerate complex data analysis. This allows experts to spend more time solving problems, developing innovative materials, and making better engineering decisions. The combination of human experience and artificial intelligence is far more powerful than either one alone. Artificial intelligence does not replace expertise. It makes expertise more productive. GrafCompounder combines the speed of modern data analysis with the experience, creativity, and judgment of skilled rubber technologists. From practice for practice, building the hybrid future of rubber compounding. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will continue exploring how GrafCompounder helps transform compound development into a faster, smarter, and more reliable engineering process. I look forward to seeing you again.